guys, it's Iridian and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is a get ready with me. I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this makeup look that I have on right now, and if you guys do enjoy this look, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe down below. I post every Monday, and yeah, alright, let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to start off by putting some of this green color corrector from Urban Decay on any blemishes or redness I may have, and then blend it out with a beauty blender. For foundation today, I'll be using MAC Studio Fix and NC30, and because this foundation doesn't bring a pump, I use a cotton swab, and I blend it out with my beauty blender. I really like this foundation because it gives you good coverage and it's buildable. I tend to use this foundation when my skin is feeling dry. To spot conceal, I will use MAC's Pro Longwear Concealer and NC35. Now to define my cheekbones, I will use the Anastasia Stick Foundation in the color Espresso. To lock everything in, I will use this Maybelline Master Fix Loose Setting Powder. First, I will apply some under my eyes with my beauty blender, then with the MAC powder brush, I will apply it all over my face. To prime my eyes, I will use Urban Decay's Primer Potion. For today's soft spring makeup look, I'll be using Maybelline's Total Temptation palette. I'll first go in with this light purple and apply it all over my eyelid with Sigma's large fluff brush. Next, I'm taking this peachy light orangey color and placing it on my crease and slowly bring it up to my brow bone. By the way, I'm using a tapered blending brush from Sigma. Now I'm taking this lavender color and only placing it on my crease. Now these colors in this palette aren't as pigmented, so I do recommend to prime your eyes first and go in with the same color a couple of times. Okay, so I'm going to wet an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush to go in with this glittery light purple and placing it all over my eyelid. Now with these two colors, a lavender and a dark gray, I will place them on my lower lash line. For eyeliner, I'm using this purple eyeliner pencil from Ulta in the color Majesty. I'm just going to make a very thin line to add some color. For mascara, I'm using my all-time favorite mascara. It's from Maybelline. It's the Colossal Volume Express in the color Glam Black. To bronze, I will use the Anastasia's Contour Kit, and I'm taking this color right here, and with MAC 182 I will blend it out. For blush, I'm using this Milani Baked Blush in the color Rose de Oro, and I'm applying it with Sigma F10. And lastly, for lips, I'm using Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in the color Forever. Alright, this completes the video. I hope you like this look right here. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video next week. Bye!